How to remove wrinkle in the skin or in cloth. Select ironing. As for the amount of Gaussian blur, normally it's from 1 to 3, depend on how severity of wrinkle. In this photo, it will be 1. Then, OK. After done the processing, SADESIGN panel is already picked the brush tool for you. Please note that make sure the square is transparent by selecting this icon. Turn off this high frequency separation layer. Adjust the brush size. Put the amount of wet, load, mix and flow at 30%. Zoom in and use brush to brush the wrinkles on clothes. Remember to apply along the line in cloth to enhance the result. You can see the changes clearly after each brush. I know now you're thinking it's too much blur on the cloth, right? But no worries. When you are done, just turn back on the high frequency separation layer. And there's no blur at all. The texture is still visible on clothes. Before, after. It's a convenient tool to help you when in need, especially for fashion lookbook. You're faced with this issue every day. Moving on to pen. Uncheck high frequency separation layer whenever you want to do wrinkle reduction. Leave the square box in transparent and brush along the cloth. You can increase the amount to make the blur effect more intensity. When you are done, make sure to check on the frequency layer. Let's see the result. It's really good, right? This tool will save you a lot of time. Merge all layers and done. SADESIGN, your editing photo solution.